Here we are in this very old 50s, 60s style apartment building in Evanston. And check this out. See which one's gonna come. In the meantime, here's what the interior looks like. Service elevator. What is this? Oh, it's literally just a rear door for the passenger. I see. It's a complicated English. Here we go, look, both elevators are here. Take this one. There's a Westinghouse brand we all know and love. Well, formerly Westinghouse. 8. That was nice and quick. Down. Oh, look at that light. I like that light. That's sconce. That's very neat. There's your panel. To close.